Hello and welcome to Online Education Aid. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to get an UK verified Bet365 account. You may know that Bet365 is the #1 gambling website in this world, and most people like and love to place their bet on Bet365 because it's easy to use and Bet365 user interface is very much friendly to everyone. So any further delay, this video topics is how we can get a verified Bet365 account within 5 minutes, and this account will be located in UK. So let's begin. I am already in Bet365 official website, and those we have no account in this platform, and this video topics is also how we can create and verify a Bet365 account. So first we need to visit this official website, then we need to click on the join button. I'm clicking here. You can see here the sign up page, and by default here is United Kingdom is selected, and I want to create this account in this country. If you need to change this country location, you can change by clicking on the drop down menu, and here is the account title, MR or Miss or something on else. So by default is MR selected, and I am not interested to change this title. And now we need to write the first name and last name, the account holder. I'm writing here first name, and this is the last name, and we need to confirm the date of birth. So it's 13 September. Now we need to provide the contact information like email, phone number, here is the option. You can turn on the offer related notification, or if you are not interested to turn on the offers, offers notification comes from Bet365 officially, you can turn on or not. And I am really interested to open this option, so I'm clicking on the yes please. Then we need to input our address details, like this is the address line 1, and here we need to input our postcode, and you need to click on the find address button. It's not like others Bet365 account related process. So this form is completed. You can see here everything is okay, and now we need to accept the terms and condition, and we need to just simply click on the join Bet365 account. I'm clicking here, and it will take a few minutes. Okay, So you can see here our account has been created and asking for verification. You can click here to verify now, and here we need to upload our identity document. So we are interested to verify our account using driving license. So by default here is a driving license in the first position, and I'm clicking on the driving license button. Okay, and I'm uploading the front side. Here is the upload file of this. You can see here the driving license front side is successfully uploaded. Now we need to click on the complete button. Okay, so your document has been successfully reviewed. It will take 15 minutes to review our document. Now we need to click on the continue button, and here we need to upload our proof of address document like utility bill, bank credit card statement, bank statement, and I'm interested to submit the utility bill for this account verification. And you can see here our utility bill has been uploaded successfully, and now we need to click on the continue button. This is the utility bill and its editable format, but I'm clicking on the confirm button. Okay, your document has been successfully received. So it will take 15 minutes to review our total account details. We need to wait till then, and you can go to the live chat to verify your account immediately, but I'm not interested to go live chat because it will be verified automatically. So this is the process to create an UK verified Bet365 account. Hopefully you understand the process. In the meantime, if you need UK verified Bet365 account, then you can contact with us. We can provide this account in reliable price. In the same time, if you need address verification document like utility bill, credit card statement or bank statement, then you can also contact with us. We can provide you this type of fake document in reliable price. Hopefully this video is useful for you. In the same time, if you like this video, hit the like button. If you have any question about this video, please leave your question in our comment section. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video in new topics. Till then, take care and be safe.